Hey guys, ito naman ay cover ko of Tensionado by Soap Dish. Yan, I'm a big fan of OPM. So, puro OPM muna. Maybe eventually, mag-western tayo. Yeah. But, yeah, I'm open to song request. If you have any specific song you want me to perform live. So, yeah, lahat naman ng cover ko, I do it one take. Kasi, yeah, I don't really take myself too seriously and I want to practice playing kind of impromptu. So I don't retake if I make a mistake. So lahat ng nakikita nyo is raw footage, no editing whatsoever. It's raw footage. So if I get to perform in public in the future, wala namang edit dun eh. So yeah, hope you understand. Tensionado, nagulat din ako nung malaman di lang pala ako yung nang hinayang nung nag-away tayo noon at natuluyan sa iyakan at tampo. Sandali lang, wag ka munang magsalita, di ko hahayaan lahat ito ay mawala. Iniisip ko kung pwede pa ba tayo. At miserable, paulit-ulit lang ang nangyayari. Ikot-ikot tayo parang bote. At sana'y ka na ba doon at nalimutan ang aking mga tanong at di malinaw. Lahat ito ay magliligaw. Ay, pwede ba wag kang sumigaw? Kung hayaan lahat ito ay maligaw. Tatanong sa'yo kung pwede pa ba tayo. Sandali lang, wag ka munang magsalita, di ko hahayaan lahat ito ay mawala. Sandali lang, wag ka munang magsalita, di ko hahayaan ikaw ay mawala. Nagtatanong sa'yo kung pwede pa ba tayo. Alright. I hope you like that. Again, nakita niyo yung mga videos na pare-pareho ng suot. Yeah, I filmed that all back to back. So I hope you all appreciated this. Yeah, this should be enough content for you to get through the day. Kasi I know throughout the weekend I've been asking folks to, subscribe to my channel, but there isn't really much content available noon, like kahapon. Pero right now, as of today, what date is it? Yeah, basta end of July. Ayun, I recorded more covers. I made sure na ano siya talaga, like I do it all in one take para after mag-film, like right now I'm filming and pumiyok pa nga ako. I'm gonna upload it directly to YouTube. So, yun. I hope you all like my cover of Tensionado. Um, I'm really looking forward to having you guys comment. Gusto ko sana yung bardagulan natin sa TikTok, madala natin sa YouTube because I think that's pretty fun. And aaralin ko pa muna kung may feature na pwede mag-comment, but yeah, in the meantime, please like and share, subscribe to all of my socials. That's Cholo CMC, CHOLO CMC. Um, I have Facebook, Instagram, Threads. I have LinkedIn. I have GitHub for those software engineers out there. TikTok, yeah, and then of course YouTube. Um, and one final shout out. Use my code Cholo CMC, CHOLO CMC, to buy free diving gear in the Molchanovs.com online store. So yeah, you get 10% off. I'm able to give you 20% discount, but you have to reach out to me separately via DM. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.